Goochie Creek. Not coochin', goochin'. Like your gooch. Let's keep it PG. Goochie Creek, Queen's birthday long weekend. Although the Queen's left us, hey, we'll take the long weekend. Get a load of this place. Nothing but free camping.
What are we doing here?
Cleaning up the campsite. Those of you who didn't know, I'm King Turd of Shit Mountain. Look at all the shit. People had the idea of taking Thursday off.
Hello, my little monster.
Are you sitting with Grandad, Samuel?
Don't go too far, you'll run into the big... Hop out so you can... Grandad will move your back. Yeah, just sit there. That'll do so you don't hit your head. There you go, you're sitting with Grandad. How's that? Watching?
Picking up poo, cow shit, cow dung, whatever you want to call it. Apparently it's a spectator sport. I mean, it's a shit job, but someone's got to do it.
Put it in a big hole, mate. You don't have to walk far.
See that? That's like a racked and stacked shit baddies.
Annabelle!
The photography over here. What's going on?
Just trying to work out the settings to try and get the sports mode. Can't remember what one it is.
Too many settings, too many buttons on the bloody camera.
Yep.
So we're down at Goochie Creek. Is it Goochie Creek or Goochie Retreat?
I'm not too sure. I'll put it on.
It's one of the two, but we'll put it in the description below. Not a bad campground. There's some live music here for the Queen's birthday long weekend. So we'll get the camera up tonight and show you what the music's all about. But until then, we'll give you a bit of a look around, bit of overhead footage and a bit of a look around from the camera. Goochie Creek Camping Retreat, showers, toilets, can bins, but no bins. So that's a little bit disappointing. All rubbish must be taken with you. So that's a bit of a shame. A couple of things that they could improve on, but hey, all in good time, they'll get there. But not badly priced. We'll chuck the rates and stuff down below as well. So jump over and have a look if you're keen. Just out of Gympie, halfway between Gympie and Maryborough. So not too far out of Brisbane.
And there's a little kids' playground.
So get onto it.
Look, you know you have to sit.
What are you doing, Samuel? Are you on the big swing? Are you on the big swing?
He's a big kid now.
All right.
He's all right.
Was a girl, but now I know it's a boy because I saw his balls.
Because you saw his what?
Because I saw his balls.
You're out of control. Goochie Creek. Goochin'. Like your gooch. You know what you meant out there, you gooch. Alright, let's keep it PG. Let's keep it PG. Goochie Creek. We got live music on tonight. We were just speaking to the owner, Todd. He's from 6 or 7 tonight, kicking off into the night. So once we settle down with a few cold ones and we get up there tonight, we'll set the camera up on a bit of a time lapse thing and show you the setup here. But not a bad setup, it's a work in progress. He's got plenty in the pipeline. So if you want to check out something that's relatively local to Brisbane, get out to Goochie Creek, come see Todd the owner, and experience what he's building out here, because it's not bloody bad.
Come on, let out with. I'm gonna brush some hay and feed the sugar cane. I wonder, could I be your girl? Your bloody hand. Sweet Caroline. Some girls don't. I know I got the same.
What are we doing, buddy? Are we looking for firewood? Are we getting some firewood? Yeah?
Step into my bar. This is the dodgy bar. JD cans have gotten too bloody expensive to buy by the carton, so I'm just making my own. Requires a Coke Zero to start with. I've got to go exploring Stubby Cooler. And you've got to take a sip, otherwise there's not enough room for the jack. A bottle of Gentleman Jack. Fill it back up with the sip of Coke you took. Give it a bit of a swirl and a mix, and enjoy. JD can, on the cheap, and much, much better.
One way to keep the kids entertained, Nerf guns, bikes, and their imagination.
I thought I was number 66.
What are you guys playing?
We're playing this game I made up about polices and robbers.
Places
Well, not
and
really
robbers.
polices. So we're like in helicopters as our bikes. These guns are to kill the criminal, and the balls are bombs.
Ah,
He's right
all
there.
the bombs. Okay, and he's the robber.
Yep. Yes. Yeah.
So you're trying to capture him.
Yes, we are trying to kill him.
Go, buddy! Get the robber. Annabelle's got a bike down pat now. She's just taking off is the hard part, so we've got to help her. Ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Hello.
Was it Parenting 101?
Yep.
That really wasn't. You sent your child off on a bike without a helmet.
Oh, whoops. Oh, well, at least it's flat and there's not much traffic.
That's atrocious.
Can I get a wheel?
Barley.
You like a bit of meat, eh, Shane?
Oh yeah, mate. I like giving it too. Me already.
What's that? Oil.
That's cooking oil, mate. That's some cooking oil for my fried chibbies.
Oh, McCain, you've done it again.
We'll just have a wee test. Ooh.
Oh,
He's got a sizzle. Oh, look at that. Sizzle.
Oh, this is Chips 101 camping.
Let's go. How many do I need? That'll do, eh?
There's a feed for one.
Yeah, food for one, mate. Oh, look at that. Right.
How'd the deep fry go, mate?
Fucking awesome, mate. Nice and crunchy. They're looking good.
Check it out. Not bad.
Feel the same, we love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try.
Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. We're going to the ginger factory. Good?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I got the salted caramel ice cream. Yummy, but expensive. Very expensive. What'd you get?
Ice cream.
Yeah. What flavour?
Ginger.
Is it good?
It's awesome. Goes alright. Wasn't cheap though. 5 ice creams, 3 gingerbread men was $50. Not cheap, but you only do it once, so kids are enjoying it.
Couple of cars.
Watch, here comes the train. Stand there, wait, watch. Stop.
Not bad. That's alright.
So what do you think about the ginger factory?
It's really gingery. The ginger factory is full of ginger products, ginger alcohol, ginger nibblies, ginger ice cream, ginger scents, ginger you name it, they got ginger. This is ginger factory. But no, hey, listen, Budrum Ginger Factory, ginger beer. That's the non-alcoholic one because I've got to drive home yet with the van on. I do have the alcohol ones here. I cracked the non-alcohol one just to try it, and I'll tell you what, that is probably some of the nicest ginger beer I think I've tried. So I'm going to see whether you can get it anywhere else apart from here, and if not, I'm probably going to get some sent down. That is damn good stuff. So if you haven't been past Budrum Ginger Factory, get in there, check it out, and try the ginger beer. That's next level.